Okay, so here we have a microwave source, which is this bit here, and it's sending microwaves this way, and it's those waves are going to hit that metal screen and bounce back and form a standing wave in between here. And of course that's invisible to our eye, but we can pick it up with this little probe here, detector probe. We place it in the middle of the area. We can see it's quite a loud noise. If we move it further away from the detector, it gets a bit quieter. And notice you'll start hearing a pulsing effect. If I make this further away, the pulsing effect becomes even more apparent. As I move it closer to the screen, the reflected wave has a similar amplitude to the transmitted wave at this point, so cancellation is more complete. Here's a nice antinode next to a node where we're getting almost a complete cancellation. Of course, right near the transmitter there's almost no cancellation, just a very loud annoying noise.